The property and the surroundings that you see here is probably older than many of us here. Some of the trees what you see here is probably 100+ years old. So obviously the building behind was remodeled as per what was their originally existing structure. We just refurbished it and to keeping in mind the similar settings and the way it was constructed. We converted this facility into an Ayurvedic facility, considering the business opportunities present at that time, and also the if you really look at the greenery around here and the environment what you find, we felt it was more conducive for that kind of a business opportunity. So that is what happened about 20+ years back, and this ancestral property then became sort of Ayurveda that you know today. What we tried to create here is an environment where guests can come and rejuvenate themselves, recharge themselves using traditional Ayurvedic therapies. Obviously, what was at that time, what we tried to do was to provide a very clean environment, so that people who generally come here from other states, from abroad, they don't find probably the difference. And we try to encourage our staff and our people who work with us to create an environment where they don't differentiate this from their home. So for example, unlike what you find in probably some of the other establishments where you have to dress up to go for lunch or for dinner to the dining rooms, here you don't have that that kind of a situation arising where you can feel yourself at home. You will find that the other guests actually encourage you to be in your natural sense, bring yourself, behave yourself like what you were at home. So that's what we've tried to continuously incorporate and inculcate in our staff as well, saying that people who come here, we want to treat them as if they are our family members, and we continue that tradition even now. Moving forward, what we are trying to actually do is to integrate more technology, given that is the need of the hour. We are trying to make sure that there are good integration with existing technology which is available, allowing people to continue working from this facility apart from just getting treatment. So we are trying to look at opportunities by packaging vocation programs for working professionals, so that they can experience Ayurveda at the same time using this facility and the technology provided to work from here. Obviously there are our doctors are also tech savvy. They are now providing online consultation services, and we believe moving forward we will be in a position to offer many more such innovative services to our clients. Given the current COVID scenario, this facility is following all COVID related protocols which has been prescribed by the state governments and the local bodies, and we would like to assure our guests that we are open and we are ready to welcome you. All our staff support are there with us. People have stayed through during the pandemic period with us, and that has given us excellent confidence that we can serve the requirements of our guests moving forward. Thank you.